keeping things more clean and tidy can significantly improve your mental health. And that's something that I've been going through recently. I've been doing a lot more cleaning around the house, cleaning my car, making sure everything is more neat and tidy so that I can truly make sure that my home feels like my sanctuary when I come home on the days that I do have to go into the office, or let's just say if I travel or I go out somewhere and I come back home, I want to feel like I have peace in my car. I don't want clutter all in my car. I want it to be more clean. So I did a deep declutter of my car. I still need to get the inside like detail. I need to get the outside of my car clean. Um, but I have made a lot of progress. I will never let my car get that cluttered again on the inside. Like, it was getting to the point where it was getting embarrassing. As far as my house, it was at one time last year, I did declutter some things, but it literally got that cluttered. But recently, I have been decluttering the dining room, um, broke down all those boxes in my dining room, decorated my dining room, cleaned my kitchen, decorated it. I did get some extra things done in my kitchen. And I did post a video about a month ago, I think. I recently had cleaned my kitchen last month. I have done more cleaning in my kitchen since. I bought some new rugs for the kitchen. So I decorated for winter, for the winter season. I bought some new rugs, some new curtains, and I just changed the look in my kitchen a little bit. And I'm gonna add some more things eventually, but the only things I have left to do in my kitchen is I need to wipe down the surfaces of all the cabinets. If you've seen my kitchen, I've really hot, like my cabinets are kind of high and tall. And so hand wiping each cabinet is going to take a lot of work. So I eventually will post a hack that I'm going to try that my mama shared with me. And it's going to make the cleaning process a lot easier. If you know, I have an all white kitchen, all white everything. So yes, I have to keep my kitchen more clean than the average person because white, everything shows on white. I also did some decluttering in my bedroom, the master bedroom, put some winter accessories in my master bedroom and back. I put winter accessories in my master bathroom, decluttered my bedroom. I do need to declutter my closet, haven't touched that yet. Did some cleaning and decluttering in the living room, but the dining room, oh, and my other bathroom, cleaned and decluttered that. But the main two rooms that I decluttered, that like my favorite room of the house is my kitchen. My kitchen is like my little hangout spot on the weekends when I get up in the morning and I fix like some tea, some hot tea, and I just want to sit down and chill and look out the window. I have a lot of windows in my kitchen, so I love getting that natural sunlight. And so, yeah, that's just one of my things. It's the whole vibe. And in order to truly enjoy it, having the rugs in there makes it feel more homey. Having it more clean makes it feel more homey. So yeah, the only thing I need to do in my kitchen now is just sweep the floor. I've already mopped it, don't need to mop it again. We had quite a bit of traffic in there from Thanksgiving since we had dinner at my house this year, but the kitchen floors didn't get dirty like I expected it to. So yeah, I need to wash dishes, sweep the floor, wipe down the cabinets. And as far as deep cleaning, I need to declutter like some of my old pots and pans because I plan on eventually investing in a new pot and pan set. I had a Rachel Ray pot and pan set that I invested in 2018, and yeah, it's been through some things and it's time to upgrade. So I'm trying to find a good pot and pan set that's on sale, but something that's going to be aesthetically pleasing. Not that I'm trying to be bougie, but I like things like, you know how they say you look good, you feel good. So I'm just trying to make my kitchen be as inviting and as homey as possible. So I want something that's kind of like, that has like a design to it. Have y'all heard of that kitchen set called Time and Table? I think it's Time and Table or Time and Table. But they have some really cute kitchen gadgets. They sell them at Walmart. They also have their own website. So, and I actually did get some I got a new canister set and some other organization pieces during Black Friday to put in my kitchen. And let me talk about Black Friday. Black Friday is not Black Friday anymore. And I'll talk about that in a separate video, but yeah, these Black Friday sales are not sales. These are the same prices. But anyway, yeah, I'm getting off topic, but yeah, and sometimes it can be hard to start, like if you're going through different things, like between this year and last year, I have been trying to get my mental health together. I've been through so much, but it's steadily getting better and better. And with cleaning, and decluttering, it's making things easier for me. I'm able to think more clearly. You know, how like we consume different foods and different things, like different healthy things to help us think more clearly. But we also have to stay clean. Like we have to clean to have just better mental health. You want your home to feel like your sanctuary. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep rambling, but yeah, the importance of cleaning, I feel like it's sometimes very underrated. So yeah, just start little by little every day. That's something that my mom always taught me. She said, no matter how much you have to do, just start decluttering 5 minutes a day. If your whole dining room is a mess and you have Amazon boxes everywhere, that was me. Start breaking down those boxes 5 minutes a day, little by little, and it will add up. And eventually you'll get to a point where everything is decluttered, and then you can start wiping stuff down. Then you can start vacuuming, and then before you know it, everything is totally clean. You're going to want to hang out in your dining room even more and things like that. Like my dining room is very cozy and comfy. Like I have ottomans and stuff in there. So yeah, like just take it little by little. And if you want to make your house feel more homey, like as far as the decoration thing, and you're low on funds, I would suggest to check out a lot of these DIYs. There's so many DIYs you can do. I've seen a lady on here on YouTube. She made a whole sofa out of boxes. Okay, so many things are possible. You just have to take it day by day and slowly work out of the laziness too. If you're not lazy, you can have anything you want. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, but I didn't mean for the video to be this long, but yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about today, how just cleaning and decluttering is really helping me improve my mental health and feeling a lot better in my home and making me want to be at home. So anyways, I will talk to you later, guys, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.